Hello, today is Friday, the 7th day of June 2013. My name is Derek. Welcome to today's video, which will take a look at the daily chart for silver as well as a dollar index line chart. Clear support break today. Lowest close since September of 2010 when the failed market rally just started. Will this be a failed market sell-off? Well, time will only tell. There's reasons why it might not be. The masses just don't seem to get what's going on. I don't know what to say. I could explain the stuff to a lot of people, and they look at you like you're a zombie kind of deal. But we're seeing the true stages of these manipulated markets. Demand is fairly high, but the prices are going much lower, of course. The large institutions, I think it's the big four, HSBC, JP Morgan, you can name a few other ones. They're the ones that control whichever direction is they want to bring it down. Is this a case they're trying to get out of all their shorts? I don't really know, but we do now have to see the possibility now of a test of the low 20s and possibly a break below that. I've also talked about even 1750. Being a possible support level. This 18 average, the band was declining. Only time on this time frame has been going sideways was here, declining, 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 and declining. No sideways action, no upwards action. The only times I can see any price action above the band on the upper side or above the 18 average of highs, not really, but close. You resisted it here. It was a little bit here, but not much. And a little bit here. It's been extremely violent, the nature of this sell-off. Some of the things to look out for on the short-term time frame is A, will it have a fast move down to this previous support of low 20s? And if it does, how's it going to react after that? Will it keep going lower? And would that area be resistance on the short term? Tough to say. How about this low 22 area being resistance? Then later on, maybe Monday morning, you get the move down lower. It's another possibility. It's not going to keep going lower forever, but it sure seems like it. And the question now arises, within this manipulated market, is it A, better not to be getting into this bullion market within a manipulated structure of sorts? That's just crazy. Or B, the manipulated structure is actually giving me a deal of a lifetime. Pretty much a rhetorical question. But if your answer is A, you don't want to be involved within it because of the manipulation, are you involved within Federal Reserve notes or any central bank's fiat currency? Something to think about. Okay, final chart will be the dollar index. And I put some dates on here of key tops and bottoms, which aligned pretty well within the silver price for March 2008 when the dollar index bottomed. Silver and gold were in bull markets. That's when they topped. Gold topped at 1,029. Silver topped at 2,135. So silver's up, 35 cents or so since that top, 1% and change? Yeah. And then the dollar index topped here. Silver bottomed. November 2009, the dollar index bottomed, and the dollar index, the silver, which was in a bull market, topped and then went sideways for the next few months. June of 2010, it topped, which is an interesting time frame because in August of 2010, that's when the bull market, the failed bull market, of course, begun, yet this was a leading indicator going down early. At the same time, May of 2011, the dollar index bottomed, silver price topped. Will this be at the high? Maybe. Still don't know yet. After all, tops and bottoms are known well after the fact. So let's look at these highs and lows. So you're making these higher highs, higher lows. Where's a matching low? On the short term, it's gotten below this low. Still, I can't be calling this thing a top yet until we have a clear break below 79. And that'll be it. We're definitely in some serious moments right now within the markets itself. It's going to bottom at some point. That is, of course, the silver chart, the question is, how much more lower are we going to go before we have a sustained bull market coming through? Normally, end of June is when markets do very well for silver, but I'm not much of a seasonal kind of person. So I'll just leave it at that, and thank you for tuning in. Take care. Bye-bye.